Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Matt. Today's episode, 5 reasons why I need nature in my life and why I think you do too. Hey guys, welcome to Uplift Living. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt, and today's episode we'll be discussing nature and the 5 reasons why you need it in your life. Do you smell that? Of course not, you're on YouTube. But I'll tell you, there's nothing more refreshing than fresh forest air. The science backing this is just groundbreaking. Every day, more and more research is coming out to justify and strengthen just how beneficial breathing, and not only breathing, but breathing properly through the nose, deep breaths, and of course, out in nature, that these things really make you feel good inside. But do you know how to breathe? Really? Because there's a few experts out there that are radically changing the way we breathe and the way that we think about breathing. I'd highly recommend checking out James Nestor on the School of Greatness podcast. Great information on the benefits of breathing through our nose, even breathing in fresh air. There's so many studies being done that show the improvement that we get from fresh air quality compared to being, say, stuck inside of a cubicle all day long or an office building. Anywhere that's not getting the proper, adequate filtration is affecting your breathing, your quality of air, and your quality of life, really. So get out in nature and breathe in some of that beautiful fresh forest air. Hey guys, look what I got here. Found some turkey tail. Now this is quite a very common mushroom here in southern Ontario. It's actually one of the most common mushrooms you're likely to find, especially this time of year when it is a little more barren out. Now this mushroom does grow most of the year here, and it's got a soft kind of fuzzy texture on the top and nice variety and ring of colors here. You see some reds and blues and purples. I'm not sure if you can pick that up on your video there. And it also has a white polypore underside. There we go. And you will find this on dead and dying trees. It actually helps play a vital role in the breakdown of the wood. So super cool mushroom, used for generations by the natives as medicinal. And if you're interested in learning more about this amazing fungus, I would highly recommend checking out Adam Harrington at Learn Your Land. He's got a multitude of great videos on mushrooms, identifying them as well. So always good to do your research. Make sure before ever ingesting a mushroom that you do extensive research. I can't stress that enough. Super important, though this is an absolute gem.
Whether you're just out for a short walk, trying to work on your form, or trying to work on your mad skills, or not, Whatever it is, there's an exercise for you. And I'll tell you, there's nothing better than nature's gym. And as always, a handstand a day keeps the doctor away.
Look at that giant beauty of a tree. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't think any of us have been around as long as these guys. And I'll tell you, it sure puts things into perspective. When you can stand amongst these giants and really melt away and realize how small we are in comparison, how short of a life we've had, everything that this tree has lived through, the world and how it looked many, many years ago when it was just a small little sapling. Makes you realize that, hey, we haven't really been here all that long, and the problems that we face every day really aren't that big. So I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and stand next to one of these beautiful giants and gain some perspective on your life. Not to sound redundant here, but these giant trees not only give us perspective, but can also enrich our souls like nothing else. There's something to be said about walking through a forest, sitting by a river, or just listening to the sound of waves crash on the rocks. Science is starting to prove more and more the benefits of nature and the effects it has on our mood, our ability to relax, as well as our spiritual well-being. There is nothing new about the fact that meditation and a spiritual practice can have profound benefits to one's life. It just so happens that placing yourself in nature can amplify that connectedness you have with the oneness of everything, God, or whatever you'd like to call it. So if you're feeling disconnected, like so many of us are these days, then I encourage you to get out for some forest meditation and soak up some of that soul energy. So there you have it. 5 reasons why I need nature. Now I know I could go into more detail here, but I wanted to keep this one short and to the point. So if you did get value and you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Also, I'd love to hear why you love nature, so please leave a comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Matty Beard out.